Hey Ainsley, so this is a tutorial walking you through your traveler dance. This is just the complicated part. The rest of it you do, or the beginning part I should say, you do actually the exact same as the girls. So I'll do a nice video with music for you tomorrow, but this is what I got for now. So you're gonna be out here, you're gonna go here, and then ooh, ooh. And then it goes, see the flowers in their colorful beauty. Sorry, beauty's right there. And then it's, they're dressed better than a king. And then immediately fouette. They don't worry about what they should wear, no. They don't worry about a thing. So just look around you. Try to listen to the song. Creation sing. Don't you worry. You'll pick up a little girl, 'cause you're in the hands. And you give her a little peck on the forehead. And then you whirl her around up to God who made everything. Ooh. And then you go off stage. So those are fouette promenades, which you know how to do. So just make sure you're doing those right, just paying attention to which foot I'm on. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll get you a full video tomorrow. Bye.